Hi, this is Taylor with Lawson Screen and Digital Products, and we're going to talk about the Expo-NV Exposure Unit. This unit is a great, small, compact, simple-to-use exposure unit. It's ideal for people getting into screen printing or have a small space out of their garage or basement, for example. To use it, you simply take your emulsion-coated screen with your film positive. You place it on the glass, put the heavy top on top, and turn it on. Expose it for the proper amount of time, then turn the unit off and go wash out your screen.